Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. I'm working on my new studio. I have now made another desk, 7 foot by 25 inches by 1 inch thick desktop, all oak. And this one I did screw down all the way to a solid wood frame so that it won't bow and warp, because this one's thinner. And I've got that one clamped down. I don't know if you can see it on the ends. You probably can't see it over here. I've got it clamped down with boards running across. And I generally keep a clamp in the middle when I'm not using it. But I clamped it up in the nighttime, so that isn't going to bow in the middle. This one here I screwed on down. I did not countersink the screws yet, because in the spring I'm going to take these and run them through the planer to bring them back straight, because there will be some little bit of bowing and warping on the ends. There's going to be some cracking. This one has a major flaw down the center, where the center of the tree, I forgot what that's called, the pith. Well, anyway, there's the center vein here, and it's already split by the time I got it up here. So that is going to be an issue. I'm going to want to run this through the edger and get those straight, and then put it all back together again. And then I'm going to fill those holes, and I'll finish this beautifully and fill those holes. But for now, I've got a functioning table. I can sit down a product and I can review the product in good light conditions. I don't even have this one on, so I'm going to have to put another light over the table. But I'm going to be able to do videos, product reviews, and things under much better light condition here. And I'm experimentally trying my new cell phone on a cell phone stand with a USB microphone. The only problem I have with the USB microphone is it's overpowering, it's over amplified. So if I can find settings in my phone to turn down the sensitivity, or find a way to make that less sensitive, maybe cover it, muffle it, because I sure can't, it's a lapel mic. I sure can't put it on my shirt because that's overpowering. So I find that I have to put it farther away from me. But anyway, just a brief video. My new studio is coming along nicely. I'm going to have, I'm moving my whole entire computer system over here. So I'll have surveillance systems on one monitor full time. I'll have my computer, big screen, probably right there, dead center, and a small screen over there. And then, I don't know, I'm going to have to figure it out. I might have to move the big screen over, because I like to sit 6 feet away from my monitor with the remote mouse and keyboard. And I'm probably going to build myself a adjustable up, down, and slide away mouse and keyboard stand. And I'll have to figure out what's comfortable height for me. And when I want to use the computer, I'll swing it on over here, so I can be, that way I don't hurt my eyes. I learned that years ago. Keep a distance from your computer, use a wireless mouse and keyboard, and you won't destroy your eyes. Because I used to work in an office with the computer in my face and do programming. And I was starting to go blind. It was horrible. Yeah, so anyway, I'll figure that out. I'm going to start bringing equipment over tonight. Surveillance system, normal computer. I've got a wireless printer, so everything's going to be beautiful. I'll be able to print from the phone directly. That's going to be nice. Anyway, little update. We got the bulk of my office set up here now, my new studio, and I just wanted to share that with you and show you what's been going on. I didn't record because I showed you me making one table. It's the same thing. I don't like to repeat too much. But I really wanted to try this out and try that out. So we'll see how it goes. Please like this video, tell me your opinions, and stay tuned for more action to come. Talk to you later.